B1700 Bakery Package Medium. If you wish to set up a semi-automatic rusk plant, look no further. CS Aerotherm proudly presents a bakery package fully dedicated to rusk manufacturing. It comprises of 2 ovens, B1700 rotary rack oven for first baking and B2200 rotary rack oven for second baking process. Apart from the ovens, this package includes machines such as spiral mixer, flour sifter, single pocket divider, take-off conveyor, economic molder, prover industrial slicer, packaging machine with molds and trays. You can make 2 tons of rusk in a 16-hour shift every day. Refer to our brochure catalog for more details.